Guys, welcome to the JetJanix. Today we will learn how to count words in a cell. Okay, so we have one cell here, and this is the B6. Okay, and we want to count words in this cell. So what we are going to do, we will use the formula of length. Okay, so how we are going to do it, just press equal and type len. Okay, and this len means count the length of a cell. Okay, so after this we have to specify the cell address, that is B6. Now wait. Okay, uh, we told this Excel to count the words in B6, but be sure not to count these spaces between the words. Okay, now in this form it will count the spaces and the words. Okay, so that will not be a correct word count. So in order to exclude the spaces from these lines from in between the words, we are going to use something like minus. Okay, minus again len, the length of b6 again. Okay, we have to no, sorry, not the b6, but we are going to say that substitute the spaces or exclude the spaces, and for this argument we have to type substitute. Okay, so this is the substitute here, double click it, and now we have to specify the cell address here and press comma. Okay, and after comma we have to type the inverted comma, space, again inverted comma, and now simple comma. Okay, and after this double inverted comma. Okay, and after this we have to close both the parentheses, and after this we have to tell the Excel that don't count the space after the last character of or the last word in the cell. Okay, and for this purpose we will just type +1. Okay, now this is the formula for counting words without spacing between the words. Now press enter and you see we have 8, so it gives the answer of 8. Now we can count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so the words in this cell are 8. So this is the way how we can find the how we can count the words in a given cell. And if you want to see the formula, for example, I will show you here. Okay, this one, you can see it here. You see, this is the formula. The b6 is the cell address, the cell with the words we want to count. Okay, so if you want to paste it somewhere else, you can just copy it from here and paste it somewhere else, but you have to change the cell address. Okay, I think it was helpful and it was easy, you learn it. So please kindly like our videos, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.